There is a certain psychology behind why action verbs are way more compelling than the use of adjectives when creating your content. Why? Action verbs create a sense of urgency and drive potential customers to take action, whereas adjectives merely describe. So in this video, I am going to share 20 examples of successful marketing campaigns that use action verbs effectively. Hi, I'm Debbie Halberg, digital marketing mentor, and while I may be pretty new to digital marketing, I've been in the amazing online marketing industry for about 8 years now. And I find it so interesting how the use of our words that we use in marketing can attract or repel our future customers. So if you're ready, I'm ready. But before I share those 20 examples of how to switch our adjectives with action verbs, there are 3 ways that you can increase your sales online by doing that. First, for example, you can transform your descriptions using action verbs in product listings. And I'm going to show you how to transform typical product descriptions by replacing adjectives with action verbs. And by doing that, can lead to increased engagements and ultimately sales. Second, by crafting compelling call to actions or CTAs with the use of action verbs in crafting effective CTAs. So listen to the difference and decide which CTA could be more effective at piquing your prospect's interest. An example of a weak CTA like learn more, and replacing that phrase with a strong CTA like discover your new look. These verbs encourage immediate action and improve conversion rates. And third, by action verbs in email marketing. The use of action verbs in email subject lines and body content will boost open and click-through rates. So I'm going to offer you some tips on creating subject lines that stand out and body content that drives readers to take the desired action you want them to. So I encourage you, the next time you're creating content, is to rewrite your own content using action verbs. So here are 20 ideas that should help you create a comprehensive and engaging content for your posts, your videos, and email newsletters on the topic of your choice. And let's get started. Example 1, this chair is comfortable. Replacing adjective with action verb, relax in this chair. This meal is delicious. Savor this meal. This device is innovative. Transform your workflow with this device. These shoes are stylish. Impress with these shoes. This bag is durable. Endure any journey with this bag. This app is quick. Speed up your tasks with this app. This workout is effective. Achieve your fitness goals with this workout. So far, we're replacing adjectives with action verbs. So let's keep going. This engine is powerful. Instead, dominate the road with this engine. This tool is easy to use. Instead, simplify your projects with this tool. This drink is refreshing. Instead, revitalize yourself with this drink. This light is bright. Instead, illuminate your space with this light. This product is safe. Instead, use protect your family with this product. This service is affordable. Save money with this service is a better choice. This feature is convenient. Simplify your life with this feature. This schedule is flexible. And replace it with adapt your schedule with ease. So as you can see, these exchanges of adjectives with action verbs make it so much powerful for your audience to just click the buy now button that you provide for them. So I have 5 more. This process is efficient. Maximize your productivity with this process. This bag is lightweight. Carry this bag with ease. This tool is versatile. Customize your projects with this tool. As you can see, these are simple exchanges. Couple more. This book is inspirational. Instead, motivate yourself with this book. And this car is reliable. Instead, trust this car with your journey. I hope you enjoyed all these examples I've provided you, and hopefully this has opened your eyes by using action verbs instead of adjectives. We all use adjectives, and this is a better way. So, hey, this is Debbie, and thank you for watching today. And stay tuned. I have a lot more tips and tricks on how to attract your audience instead of repelling them.